Planning a 3-day trip to Paris from the USA? Here's your ultimate budget-friendly guide to must-see sites, affordable food, and smart transport tips to make the most of your time and money. Good news! US passport holders don't need a visa for tourist stays up to 90 days in France. Just make sure your passport is valid throughout your trip. For the best exchange rates, withdraw euros directly from airport ATMs. Grab a local SIM card or use a travel eSIM to stay connected without breaking the bank. Get a Navigo Easy Pass or a carnet of metro tickets. These save money and give you unlimited rides on public transport across Paris. Start your adventure at Notre Dame and the charming Latin Quarter. For lunch, pick up a freshly made baguette or sandwich for under €5 at a local bakery. Beat the crowds by booking Louvre tickets online in advance. If you're under 26, don't miss free entry on Friday evenings. For cheap and tasty meals, try street food like savory crepes or falafel in Le Marais. It's budget-friendly and authentic. Explore Montmartre on your last day for breathtaking views and street art. This iconic area is totally free to explore. Stay smart by booking hostels starting at €30 per night, or find an Airbnb with a kitchen to cook your own meals and save more. Follow these tips to enjoy Paris on a budget. See all the highlights, eat like a local, and travel smart. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel guides and tips. Bon voyage!